Jay Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why everyone must have Guru in their life and must strive hard and high level work and high level sacrifice. They have to do high level sacrifice in order to get Guru in their life, in order to get spiritual Guru in their life. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why everyone must have spiritual Guru in their life and they must strive hard and work hard and sacrifice many things to get spiritual Guru in the life. Even for to cross a single street in the city or in the town, we have to ask someone for direction. Without asking someone for direction, we can't even cross a single street in our life. How can we live 100 years in the life without having guru or without having guru or spiritual mentor or spiritual guru in the life? That's why everyone should have strive hard to get guru in life, and it is and it is said in Sanskrit that guru it is said in India that guru ke bina gati nahi hai. That means there is no forward or there is no gati in the world without guru in the world. Without guru in the world cannot progress single inch in their lives. Because of that, it is said. Because of that only, it is said that guru ke bina gati nahi hai, and because of that, everyone must strive hard and work hard in order to get spiritual guru in their lives, and they have to do so many sacrifices and many things in order to get spiritual guru in their lives and in order to get high level progress in their lives. In olden days, it is very hard to get guru in their lives. In the olden days in India, it is very hard to get guru in the life, because they put so many tests and number of hundreds of tests before taking any person as a shishya for that guru. But nowadays it is very easy, and in art of living there are only very less things one has to do and very less qualification one has needed in order to do service in art of living organization and to do service for guru, to get knowledge from Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, because he is distributing. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is distributing the knowledge freely to everybody, and because of that, everyone must strive, work hard in order to get knowledge from Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar and from art of living. In olden days, the gurus are not so much kind and not so much easy in terms of distributing knowledge. Because of that, they put so many tests and so many things in order to take a person as shishya. But in art of living, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is distributing knowledge freely to everybody, and but they have to pay some amount or some little, and they have to do some little sacrifice in order to get knowledge from art of living. Why Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is distributing knowledge is because it will be catch-22 situation. Like, if we don't give the knowledge to the person, he will not get into higher positions, or he will not become good person, or he will not get the qualifications in the world. But it will be like catch-22 situation. If you don't give the person knowledge, he will not get high. He will not get a high level qualification like that. But if you don't give knowledge, he will not get high qualification. But if you put a high level test and high level qualification initially, then he will not get into knowledge and he will not develop in their lives and all that. This is a catch 22 situation. Because of that, in Art of Living and Gurudev Sri Sri Shankar says, we forget all these qualifications and all these things. We will distribute knowledge freely to everybody. Then people will get into higher qualifications and they get into high level. They will get high level knowledge and get into high level qualifications themselves only. Because of that, we should strive little bit only, not that much, in order to get knowledge from Art of Living and from Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Because this will become catch 22 situation. The strength of the people who get knowledge will decrease in society. Then high level Rakshasa elements will increase in society and they do all kinds of havoc in the society. If you only put high level tests and high level qualifications in order to take Shishya and in order to give knowledge to the people, then the strength of the good people will decrease in the society and the Rakshasa elements will do high level havoc in the society. In order to dispel this catch 22 situation, first Gurudev Sri Shankar says, first we will give knowledge and the person will automatically get into higher level and we will increase the strength of the good people in the society. Like that, the strength of the good people, to increase the strength of the good people in the society is highly relevant in current situations. Because of these Rakshasa elements all around the world are doing havoc in the world and doing high level wrong things in the world and causing high level distress to the good people in the world. So that we should increase the strength of the good people in the world at any cost and send these Rakshasas souls back to their position. We have to send these Rakshasas, we have to give these liberations from bodies. We should give liberation to the Rakshasa souls from bodies of humans and send them back to their original position. For further details about why everyone must have Guru in this life or after further lives, I will tell in further videos. Jai Gurudev.